Hey guys, I'm doing some laundry on the porch as I do, and you're watching my YouTube channel, waycrunchy. So we fixed up this house, $20,000 house. One of the things we did was we had to repair like the rotting porch, and we took off the big, very old-fashioned, but not antique old-fashioned, more just like funky old days fashion. Anyway, this is our beautiful porch now. So we took off the big metal awning, which let a lot more light into the house. And then, you know, I painted all this trim, and we replaced the boards that were rotting on the porch. No more hole in the porch, no more rotting around the edges, none of that. And I painted this all and sealed this all, but, you know, year and a half later, the paint, the sealer is peeling out here, and we really cannot lose the investment in the porch. We must move ever forward, never backward. So what we need is we need gutters. We need gutters for the porch, but that means spending money. And so what I am going to do today is that I already have a bucket of porch paint, deck paint, and so I'm going to go ahead and paint it and seal it, and that buys us another year. This is my assistant. His name is Huckleberry. He is very cute. Look at him. Huckleberry, he's the cutest boy. He's the cutest man in the world. Huckleberry. Okay, so this is something I picked up on clearance at Lowe's when I picked up two buckets, and I was gonna do two different colors on the porch, but I ended up just using 1 gallon and doing one color, and now I have a spare gallon, and now I'll do the other color. So yesterday I got started on refinishing the porch, and it just brings me to a phrase or a topic that has been just very, very present in my mind lately that I really feel called to share here on waycrunchy with all of y'all. And it's the idea of make it better. Make it better, make it better, make it better. And there are a lot of things I would love to have the time to do. There are a lot of things I would love to have the money to do. There are a lot of things that I would like to be perfect. There are a lot of things I would like to be done, but I don't have the time. And that's not real life. And so I can't make it perfect. I can't finish it, but I can make it better. And you apply this to anything. Like, can I have a big laundry day and like finish all the laundry? No. but I can put away this one basket. Can I clean the whole house? No, but could I run around and get the big stuff out of the way? Yes. Can I do the whole porch today? No, but I can do the edge. And then when I come back tomorrow, be that much closer to finish. I can make things better. Every day I can make things better. As long as I'm not losing ground, then we're doing all right. And this, you know, I have filmed about homemaking. I have filmed about house fixing. I filmed about a lot of different things, but really, truly, all of my videos are about trying to live a better, happier life. And so what you can do is try and, you know, not get overwhelmed by ambition, not get weighted down by what hasn't been done. And me, sometimes I get overwhelmed by how much there is to do or how far I am from my perfect vision, that I get this sort of paralysis where I can't move or I can't get anything done because I'm thinking about how it's not going to be perfect. And I get that way with the holidays too. Like, I'll want a special day to be perfect, and I'll be so caught up on that I don't appreciate what is going right, you know? And so whatever is going on in your life, a relationship, can I heal this relationship completely? Can I get closure? No. But could I make this situation better? I've just been like having this very clear, direct vision that we all just need, and I need, to just focus on how can I make this better. And well, for me, I obviously have 3 children. One of them's a little baby. Right now I'm coming to you during nap time, and I have to do projects in small chunks because I'm not going to miss these baby days. I'm going to be present with my baby, you know. I have to break projects into small chunks, break housework into small chunks, thinking about taking, yes, I can't take Tom on a bicycling trip, just the 2 of us, but I can take these 5 minutes while the baby's napping and go sit down and ask him how his day was. Ask him how school's going. You know, for relationships, for house cleaning, for big projects, for work, for my income streams. You know, I can't work as much as I could if I didn't have a baby, but the baby's what it's all about right now. And that's beautiful and fleeting. Half a year has already gone by, and you only have a baby for 1 year, and half of my year is gone. But I'm proud of myself because I've been enjoying it and making everything better along the way. And what we have here is progress. So I cleaned off this end of the porch. Yesterday I got all the horizontal different direction boards done. Today I started with this end of the porch. And there's another chunk done. I'm just get it done. It's better than it was. It's closer to finish. Mm-hmm.
What's up, dude? Jump in it!
Don't jump in it. So, yeah, I got a little bit of the porch done, but now I'm out with my children on a trail. So, is it a whole big, long thing? No, it's just catching the last of the daylight, but it's balanced.
Hi!
Oh my God.
I don't run.
I ride breakdown. So I'm muscular.
Water plane.
That kickstand's sort of slowing you up. Got Hooky in the stroller, Z on the scooter, Tom on the bike. And we're getting our exercise, we're getting our nature time, which is important for our mental health.
Hey, my schedule is going to be off by an hour.
Yeah, your schedule is going to be off because of daylight savings time.
So,
That jazz.
in theory, I'm going to wake up at 4 or 5 every day. Occasionally I wake up at 6:20. 50 minutes. Water.
You thirsty?
Water. I am.
No, baby, just drink it. We don't use that as a little cup. Just drink it down. All right, now scoot on down the way. I gotta get Hucky moving again. He likes to go, go, go. He doesn't like sitting still. You go, 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 and I'll get Hucky. Are you gonna do both? That's hard.
Mom, you got me full.
I'm coming.